يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن جاءكم فاسق بنبأ فتبينوا أن تصيبوا قوما بجهالة فتصبحوا على ما فعلتم نادمين.
My name is Kamaruddin. I manage the ICOUK group and the Moon Sighting UK website. I am delighted to hear that a few of the brothers from Jersey have sighted the moon today. So we are taking a trial testimony via video. Obviously, due to COVID, we could not arrange that face-to-face. So we would like Brother Zaeem to make a statement, please, with your full name and when and where you saw the moon and anything else you want to tell us. And Sheikh Suleiman Ghani will be our panel from the ulama to listen to your testimony.
So I, Zaeem Youssouf in St. Helier, Jersey, testify that I have seen the moon on the 18th of October 2020 at 6:45 p.m. after sunset. The sky was partially cloudy and the moon was seen by naked eye. We weren't able to take a picture. We got a video of the moon, but the picture was too blurry, so you can't really make out the moon on the picture.
Shah Suleiman, any question?
Okay, what was the shape of the crescent at the time of sunset?
It was sort of fairly curved, slight curve in the crescent. Because it was between a break in the clouds, so we could see the bottom part of the crescent first, and then that was covered, and then we saw the top part of the crescent as it kind of came down beneath the break.
So on a clock face, can you tell us which way the horn was facing? Because we...
How do you mean? Sorry.
The horns, were they pointing towards the left or the right?
The horns were pointing towards, as you're facing, towards the left.
Okay, that's fine.
Did you see the setting of the sun?
No, because it was behind the cloud. So we didn't see the sun. We saw roughly where the sun was going down, but it's set behind the cloud, so we couldn't see its exact position.
And what time did you see the moon? How many minutes after sunset?
So 6:45 we saw the moon, so it was, what's that, 23 minutes.
What time was sunset?
28 minutes. Sunset was 6:12, Maghrib was 6:17, and we saw the moon at 6:45.
Okay, about half an hour after sunset.
Yeah,
roughly.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Okay. And all three of you saw it?
All three of us saw it.
Alhamdulillah. After sunset, the horn was pointing toward the left. You know the reddish glare on the sky, was it on the right side of where you saw the moon or left side?
So as we were facing, it was on the right side.
Okay, so the moon was on the left side. Okay, Jazakallah.
Sheikh Suleiman, and what altitude you seen it? How high above the horizon at sunset time?
Not very high. It wasn't very high above this horizon. So there was sort of two banks of cloud, and we saw it in between the two banks of cloud that there were, just in a small break that was there. But it wasn't very high above the horizon.
Were you facing the ocean or the land?
Facing the ocean.
Oh, okay. So you were able to see fairly close to the horizon.
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. MashaAllah. And did you use optical aid?
No, naked eye.
Okay, Jazakallah, Brother Zaeem Youssouf. You are a Hafiz, right?
Yeah.
You are an Alim as well?
No, not an Alim. Just.
And you are a temporary Imam in Jersey Masjid?
Yeah.
Right. So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Jazakallah khair, Brother Aslam, for offering to come and give us this important testimony. We are most grateful because most of UK were cloudy, and that's why your report is very, very valuable. And we are trialing this video testimony in case we cannot take it face to face. So please state your full name when and where you saw the moon, and how many people in your group, and what the shape and what direction, etc. And we may have a question afterward.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Aslam Shareef and I'm from Jersey. I testify that I've seen the moon on the 18th of October 2020 at 6:45 p.m. after sunset. The sky was very cloudy and the moon was seen by naked eye through a patch.
Through a breaking cloud. And how many people in your group?
3 in total. So first me and Zaeem Youssouf saw it, and then we called Umer, who was behind us, to just double check our understanding and also take some photos.
Right. And can you explain the shape of the Hilal you saw? Which direction was the horn pointing, left or right?
The horns were pointing on the left.
Right. Okay, and roughly how high from the horizon? Was it fairly close or quite high?
Well, just before we saw, we were estimating whether we can see through the patch or not, and Zaeem brought out a very clever app which was showing the altitude above horizon. I think it was 5.6 and it was decreasing. 5.6 above altitude, like horizon.
Right,
and we were just roughly calculating whether we can see through the patch or not.
Okay.
So by the time we saw, I think it was 5.38 roughly.
Right.
So between 5.6 to 5.38, I think we saw the moon in the through the break.
MashaAllah. So 5 degrees quite fairly high, which is very good.
Yes.
MashaAllah. And so did you manage? Okay, Sheikh Suleiman, your question. I don't want to take all the questions.
Yeah, mashallah, I think I mean it's answered most of the thing. It's seen it on the left of the setting of the sun, above 5 degrees. So I don't just the timing. When did you see it? How many minutes after sunset was that?
The sunset is 6:12, 6:45, so 33 minutes after sunset.
MashaAllah. Good mental arithmetic. Brother is a professional accountant.
Yes, mashallah.
And you are the masjid committee also.
Yes, I'm the runaround. I take care of things what need to be done.
A lot of khidmat for the Jersey Masjid.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah khair, brother. Brother Aslam, I will let you go now, and if you can send the other brothers, please.
No.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. MashaAllah.
Brother Omar, my name is Kamaruddin. I manage the ICOUK group and the Moon Sighting UK website. We are delighted that you have seen the moon of all the other people who were trying due to the clouds. So we'd like to take your testimony, please, as a trial in order to speed up this process, because face-to-face may be quite difficult in some of the times.
I, Umer Rehman from Jersey, testify that I have seen the moon on 18 October 2020 at 6:40 or 6:45 after sunset, after Maghrib actually. The sky was cloudy and the moon was seen by naked eyes.
Okay. And how many of you were in your group?
Yeah, we are 3 persons. We were 3 persons there.
And who saw the moon first?
I was not there. I didn't see first. I think it was someone else. I don't know who.
Okay, the others, and then you joined them.
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Have you ever done moon sighting before?
Yeah, I did. One before.
Can you remember if you saw the sunset before you saw the moon? Did you see the glare on the horizon of the setting sun at all? I know it was.
I didn't see sunset before.
Okay. Which way was the horn pointing?
It was on the left side.
Pointing toward the left.
And you seen it above the cloud or between the cloud?
So there were 2 clouds above and below that, and it was under between two of the clouds. Yeah.
Between two clouds, there was a break, and you saw it popped.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, like that.
And you took the photo?
Yeah, I took the photo, but it wasn't clear.
It was blurry.
Yeah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah accept your efforts, MashaAllah.
Thank you.
No
Sheikh,
questions from me. Jazakallah khairan.
Thanks.
And well done. Keep it up.
Thanks.